Yes, hey yo, what's up, guys? My name is John Fox Teasy, and today I'm going to show you how you can play uh, Afrobeat from the scratch. Play Afrobeat sound. Yeah, so thank you for being connected with me. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and here we go. Yeah, it's kind. I just make kind of chill vibe. Yeah, so I just start with my things here. Let's play my chord. Yeah, chord progression, and it is simple. Sound like this one. Yeah, so after that, in my chord, I just add a equalizer on it, just to find a low mid. Yeah. So the other thing I play here, it is this one, Lords from FLK also. It just sound like this one. Yeah. Yeah, I just followed my chord progressions. So after that, I just play this melody from harp, and you see strings from morphine. So I just play simple like this one. Yeah, just simple melody but sound huge. And on it I just put my delay and reverb. After that, I just try to find a mid and some beat, some of high. Yeah, cause I want to hear it in high frequencies. So after that, I just jump to my bass, and to my bass here I just add a kick, start for side chain, then I just select this preset, the compressor, and use a bass boost, so it sounds good like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. Just simple. After that, I just add my this acoustic from Citrus, and this one I just add only reverb and a delay. Yeah. After that, I add violin for morphine. Yeah. After that, I jump to my this one acoustic guitar. Yes. So after this, my guitars. Okay. Let's jump to another thing. It is choir. It is my one shot. I just downloaded it, and I just play simple like this. I just add some pedal notes, so it sound like this one. Yeah, I just want to create something dark in this one, so I added some this one parametric equalizer. So after that, I just copy and paste my pads. Also is one shot, uh, one shot, and it sound like this one. Yeah, so simple like this one. After that, jump to this my orchestra. I just play this. Yeah, after that I play my drum grooves. So I jump to my drum grooves, and the drum grooves, the first drum grooves, I just play simple like this one. Yeah, I just play my kick, hi-hat, this one, and this one conga, and limb. Yeah, so you can copy and paste for what I'm done if you like. For that, I just play another. I just remove here some kick in the snare. The snare, my snare come here, and my kick in the end. Yeah, simple like this one. So after that, I think my things are over. Yeah, so I jump to some things that I add here to my beat. I just add this one and this one, and this one, and after that I just add this, also this. Yeah, I just make something simple but sound good. So that is my things in this beat. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and this instrumental will be in my channel. So if you like it, you can contact with me, and you can know how you can get it. But for me, this instrumental is good, viable, and chill. So thank you for watching. My name is Joe Fox TV. So let's go from the start. Fox Beat. Yeah, simple like this one. This is my beat. Yeah, so thank you and salute.